Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. Anytime we got wings on the menu, you already know it's gonna be a good one. I'm gonna show you guys how to make garlic fried chicken wings. You ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of our ingredients, what Farrah J. Eats said that we need for this particular recipe. Now, I made a few adjustments to my liking, as we all should when we make recipes. Always adjust it to your liking. So right here, we're gonna use our chicken wings. Of course, we need those. We have an onion back here. If you don't have an onion, use a shallot. She used a shallot, but I have onions. I don't have any shallots, so I'm gonna use a sweet onion here. Right here, we have some cornstarch. She used potato starch. We have water in these two dishes. I'm using some fresh parsley because I think that's gonna step up that flavor profile. And right here, we have garlic. As you can see, I did not take the skin off of it. But what you want to do with this garlic, you want to make sure you mash it down to kind of open it up, and I'm going to show you why later on in the recipe. I'm going to add some smoked paprika to it. She didn't have that. We got some curry powder, sugar here, chili powder. I'm using some seasoned salts that are regular salt. And right here we have our fresh garlic cloves. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to prepare our paste for our chicken. So we're gonna add our onion right here into our blender. We're gonna add our garlic cloves. We'll add our parsley and about 1/4 cup of water. Cover this up, get this blended. All right, guys, so we created our paste. Looks a little bit more watery than hers, but we're gonna keep going. So let's get back over to our cutting board. All right, so let's take our mixture and we're gonna pour it over our wings like this. Next, we're gonna add our curry powder, our seasoned salt, our smoked paprika, chili powder, sugar, and our cornstarch. And guys, we're just gonna go in this with our hands, get all this mixed up. All right, so I'm gonna let that marinate for about an hour or so, and then we're gonna head over to our stove and drop them babies in that hot grease. All right, so we're about an hour in. I got our oil over here heating up. We're right at 350 degrees. So we're gonna start dropping our chicken. And guys, we may have to cook these in batches, or if you have to cook them in batches, do so. And we're gonna cook these for about, 7 to 10 minutes, depending on how big your chicken wings are. You may have to go longer, but again, once it starts rising to the top, you're there. And guys, once you're halfway through your cooking process, remember that garlic that we had right here? We're gonna add that into our oil just so we can infuse it with a little bit more of that garlic flavor. Of course, that steps up that flavor too, guys, just like that. So we're about 8 minutes in. We'll go ahead and remove our chicken along with our garlic. I'm just gonna sit it on this baking rack, and I'm gonna go in with our second batch. All right, guys, so it looks like we're there on our second batch. We're gonna go ahead and remove these babies too. Man, look at that right there. Man, these look awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, so let's head over to our cutting board and do our final presentation. And there you have it, guys. Crispy garlic fried chicken. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control. Let's see how crispy it is. All right, we're gonna bring these crispy fried garlic wings in front of the congregation. Man, take a look at that. All right, I'm gonna take one of these babies here. Ooh, man, that looking good there. You got hell crispy now. Man. That garlic flavor is infused. If you like me, you love you some garlic. I can never have too much garlic. Oh man, Shout out to Farrah J Eats for blessing us with these good wings. Go check out on Instagram at Farrah J Eats. And until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.